Before charging into battle, ancient Persian warriors would crush and consume a single fruit. This wasn't just for sustenance. It was their secret weapon for strength, endurance, and rapid healing. That fruit? The powerful pomegranate. From ancient Persia to Rome, pomegranates weren't just food. They were strategic military supplies. 1. Persian armies carried dried pomegranate seeds during long campaigns. 2. Spartan warriors consumed pomegranate juice before training. 3. Roman legions used pomegranate extract to treat battle wounds. 4. Egyptian warriors believed it granted them immortality. But here's the fascinating part. They were right about almost everything. Recent studies have revealed exactly why these warriors relied on pomegranates. 1. Nitric oxide production. Pomegranates increase blood flow by 30%, enhancing strength and endurance. 2. Anti-inflammatory compounds. Speed up recovery from physical stress and injury. 3. Punicollagens, unique molecules that reduce muscle damage. 4. Natural pain relief, contains compounds similar to modern anti-inflammatory drugs. Let's break down what these ancient warriors experienced. 1. 47% increase in available energy. 2. Faster muscle recovery between battles. 3. Enhanced wound healing. 4. Reduced muscle soreness. 5. Improved stamina and endurance. 6. Better oxygen utilization. Modern athletes are now rediscovering these same benefits. How to harness this ancient warrior wisdom. 1. Best time to consume 30 minutes before exercise. 2. Optimal amount 8 oz of pure pomegranate juice. 3. Form matters, fresh juice versus supplements. 4. Synergistic combinations, what the warriors paired it with. 5. Modern preparation methods for maximum benefits. Recent studies from leading universities confirm 1. 30% increase in exercise performance. 2. 25% faster recovery time. 3. Significant reduction in inflammation markers. 4. Enhanced protein synthesis for muscle repair. Whether you're an athlete, warrior at heart, or just someone looking to tap into ancient wisdom, pomegranates offer something remarkable. Try this ancient warrior secret yourself and experience what armies knew centuries ago.